Okay. Just picked up this game. Should let Joe Pod play this game. Actually, looks fun.
So it's supposed to be a racing game.
I guess just started.
It's like a Japanese game. It's like a Japanese game. It's like a Japanese racing game now. 12 hours remaining. Due to the sensitivity. Okay. Find shoebox money stash. Bro, the sensitivity. And the FOV, bro. Shoebox. It's a... That's it. 862 yen. 860,000 yen. What? Arrow. Go to the computer and get onto the used car auction. Now, where the hell is that? Oh, what's up there? Okay. Car auction. Okay, busy smoking a joint. Okay. Okay, let's try this one. Ooh. Okay. Next cam. Dude is there. Okay, check this one. I think I should pick auto so I don't have to manually just click gear up and gear down. Automatic. Fuel tank. Oil leak. What? It's just the same car. Grade 1. Grade 1.5. 2. Ooh. Wait, how much is this? Let's try this one. Same car. Damn, look at that engine. Like every other engine. Yeah, I think I should pick this one. Any other ones? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with this one. Okay, I would like to buy this one. High call. This car has automatic transmission. This cannot be This cannot be changed. Yeah. Well, there goes my money. I just hope it's a good car. I wonder if you can upgrade in this game. To the FOV, how do I... Oh. Camera... Noise... Nah, I gotta put that high. Crash, music... FOV level... What, that's the max? Walk FOV... means your oil change performance will be slower. Oh my word. Oil change. Buy parts. Sure. Ooh, we gotta own garage. Headlights. What else? Check out, return view. What? Front bumper. There's so many stuff. Okay. Oh, they literally just says change all. I could have just done that. Oh my word. Here we go. Now I can exit. Yes. Okay. Ooh, got a little cutscene. Oh my word, dude, the loading screen's fire. How do I... Oh my word. Did you feel afraid? I believe you have an associate who has unpaid debts with my organization. Now we arrive here with nothing but the Nexus garage with the first Sinus La Visa. I think it's supposed to be Nissan Silver. I know. We use this Sinus La Visa to earn me back what I'm owed. I hope you can drive. Oh yeah, I can drive. I've given you a betting loan of 4.8 million? Bro, wow, bro. Are you joking me? You are now in debt. Debt cash can only be betting. You pay your debt by winning races. If you can lose this cash, your car will be taken as payment. Wow. Do that engine. Oh, how do I put the music something? It's loud as hell. What? Yeah, I gotta put that low up. Go. Chicom territory. Oh. Call other races to race. Beware of high rep racers. Choose races with rep close to yours. Open phone to view your rep. Okay, we can also go 2041. Nope. What are these guys? Okay. No. No. Dude, the music's not really far. 352. Okay, that's my call. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this one. Daisuke. Who the F are you? Daisuke processes 350,000 wager. Okay. Okay, there goes my rep. Okay. Yeah, I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm actually fried. Oh, tight. What? Alpha flashlight. What? Bro! I didn't know what to do. Bro, do I lose money for that? Okay. It's the other way. I'm gonna have to restart that. Bro. It's the other way. Oh my word. I went the wrong way. Yeah, I have to restart that. Okay. Okay, we're back. Okay, lock. Ooh. Okay. Gotta get the tires warm up. Wipeout? Bro. Wait, okay, I'm still going, I'm still going, I'm still going. What's up? Okay. 3 seconds. 3 minutes behind. Come on, finish that joint. Too easy. Wow. Absolutely destroyed him. Well, there we go. Pay him up, pay him up, pay him up. Give me that money. Let's go. Dirty racing scumbag. Give me another chance. Double or nothing. Why not? Why not? Why not? Clean race. Gotcha. What? Daske. Is it Daske? Is that what you said? Run it back. Come on, hurry up. Why you trash? Wow, dude, he trash, bro. Okay, there we go. Tires are warmed up. Come on. Lock in. Let's go. Oh, he's absolutely trash. Wow. Come on. Come on. Move. blunt at it. Okay. That was easy. Give me that cash, boy. Let's go. Reduce a rival crew map control to lower a PA strength or PA strength. Low PA strength equals high reward rep. High PA strength equals low rep. No idea what that means. What now? Left arrow. Okay. What's this? Mysterious location. Where am I? Let's go to the mysterious location. Sounds interesting. Wow. Dude, my car is absolutely wrecked. I must go up. Are you joking me? Are you actually joking me? Bro. What? Safe house. The music. Okay. Wait, maybe I can buy something for the engine. Bro, I didn't buy it. Let's buy that. Turbo Street. Here we go. Let's go. Can I hurry up with this again now? Still all parts. Dude, look at that, bro. I want to know this thing sounds. Dude, the turbo, bro. Dude, that's gonna be fire. Yes. 6 hours remaining. How does this thing sound like? Ooh. Holy. Oh yeah, no, that's the stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna exit out of this game. This is a sick ass fire game. Oh. Dude, the music is absolutely fire, everything's fire. Except for the camera shaking. Probably I'll turn that thing down. Okay, this is a very sick ass game. Well, there you go. Thank you for playing. Thank you for having me